Anything for charity, I sing for charity. I do good songs.
आपको पूरे फ्लैश आ रहे हैं। ये भी क्या बात है। मैं मेरा कॉर्नर थोड़ा पीछे थोड़ा आगे थोड़ा आगे
I love the sun like a star.
पीछे थोड़ा संभाल के
multiple entries and very quickly with the stock. That's something to put in a skill base.
I love this. I love European alleyway. I love European alleyways. And you see some of them shopping. What a beautiful shot.
ये राजा बस हो गया जा आगे जा लाइट पेज पे है आजा लगता है ये अच्छी जगह है ठीक है थोड़ा पीछे चलो भाई थोड़ा पीछे हो जाओ मैम यहाँ बेटा मैम यहाँ बेटा ए मैम बाहर से एकदम मैम यहाँ
Young children from the Victoria School unite to play a couple of songs. Please give them a Thank you all for being here to celebrate and share with me my guilty pleasure, photography.
You shouldn't be guilty about it, sir.
As a doctor, I probably should be thrilled by X-rays and microscopic views of worms and germs. But what makes my heart sing are sunsets and mountaintops and waterfalls and rainbows. That's what I go chasing every year. Magic moments from magic lands captured by my camera to cherish and keep and share with friends and fellow nature buffs. So enjoy and take home a piece if you like it. All proceeds from the show go back to nature in the form of a donation to the Victoria Memorial School for the Blind. You just have thanks again for being here and do partake of the Swiss cheese and chocolates, the magic land where these magic moments were seized. May I now request Farah to come forward and present the who herself is a gift of nature. With a small token of appreciation and affection for having been here this evening with us. Thank you.
Bharat.
Oh my God.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. May I now request you to just indulge in just a few minutes of.
थोड़ा पीछे करो.
May I just have the TV on, please?
मालूम करो आएगी नहीं यार. और मालूम करो. पीछे 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 पीछे.
Thank you so much.
थोड़ा सा नजदीक आइए.
Jury panel.
Here sir, here. हाँ. मैं भी है. Here है मैम. मैम यहाँ कौन हो?
I now request here to please release a calendar as well for the coming year. Just open it.
Yes sir. Sir, up sir. First calendar.
First calendar.
Thank you so much. There's one more for you. Sorry.
आप बड़ा अच्छा काम करवा रहे हैं. फिर ये आपकी
हाँ. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Will you please say it? Will you please say it? कुछ कहना चाहोगे?
Hello ma'am, hello sir, hello all of you. Sir, हम विक्टोरिया मेमोरियल फॉर द ब्लाइंड स्कूल से आए हैं और हमारे विक्टोरिया मेमोरियल स्कूल फॉर द ब्लाइंड स्थापना 1902 में हुई थी। अभी 114 या 115 साल हो गए। हमारे स्कूल में कितने बच्चों का फ्यूचर बना है। वैसे ही हमारे स्कूल हर तरीके से फैसिलिटी हमें प्रोवाइड करती है। पढ़ाई के अलावा हमारे स्कूल में कंप्यूटर क्लासेस, लाइब्रेरी, मसाज सेंटर और पढ़ाई के साथ साथ हम तंदुरुस्त और फिट रहने के लिए हमें जिम, मलखा, उसी तरीके से योगा भी हमारे जो हॉस्टल में प्रोवाइड किए जाते हैं। और ये जो फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड किए जाते हैं ये बत्रा सर के साथ के बिना ये संभव नहीं था, क्योंकि सर का हमेशा हमारे साथ जुड़ा रहता है। जो भी हमें फैसिलिटी चाहिए हम सर से एक बार बोलते सर हमें ये चाहिए, सर हमें वो तुरंत ला कर देते। सर का हमारे साथ हमेशा साथ जुड़ा रहता है। इसलिए सर थैंक यू सो मच। और सर अगर सर आप हमें आपके हर प्रोग्राम में आप हमें इन्वाइट करते हो और हमें अपॉर्चुनिटी देते हो कि हमारे अंदर के जो भी टैलेंट है वो हम दुनिया के सामने ला सके, इसलिए तहे दिल से आपको बहुत बहुत आभारी है।
You are really truly a magical person, and I hope you take care of your homeopathy also sometimes. You have been doing the music, you have been singing and the photography and painting, everything. Your presence makes the difference everywhere. Thank you so much. Rotary takes pride that you are a part of Rotary organization and the president of Bombay Club this year. Thank you, madam. Your presence made the difference. Thanks. Thank you. Just can you excuse me to say some lines about you? On the beauty, चांदनी बहार गजल आरजू, चांदनी बहार गजल आरजू, सोचता हूँ क्या कहूँ तुम्हें। चांदनी बहार गजल आरजू, सोचता हूँ क्या कहूँ तुम्हें। जब से देखा है बस यही तमन्ना है, उम्र भर देखता रहूँ।
Good evening, everyone. To each of you who has made the time to be here today, a very big thank you. To share moments like this that form such an important impression of life with more people than just your immediate family and friends, and then to use those moments to make a difference is what Dr. Batra has year after year shown is what it means to celebrate and truly enjoy life. And for that, I think all of us who are here today are grateful. We celebrate you, Dr. Batra, and your initiative to make the difference that you do. I think everybody is born to make a difference. And you can use any form of craft, any form of communication to make that difference. And I think individuals like Dr. Batra show the way for many others to follow. And I'm really happy that I got to hear such a wonderful performance by these two remarkable gentlemen here who played so well. Thank you. आपने बहुत सुंदर बजाया, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा सुनकर आपका धन्यवाद। Karan Johar would have been even more happy had you been here because they played his songs from his films and beautifully. I just hope you continue to make the difference that you do, Dr. Batra. And I just really want to thank you for giving me the opportunity to come and be a part of this very special evening. And I hope that each one of us who takes back home, not just a photograph, takes back home the knowledge that each one of you has made a difference. Thank you. Thank you. And thank you to my friends in the media or the public as well. Thank you for making the time and coming to this event.
Well, I've always been a family photographer, and actually I was encouraged by a patient and a friend of my son who host your exhibition in Citibank. And I thought that if I can host it in Citibank, then I must not be very bad. But actually my first exhibition, you saw of Kufri, I had Atul Kasbekar coming, and he's also been a mentor to my photography. So he comes very often and actually critically appraises my work. And so he very, quietly took me in the corner and said, Doc, I think your hand was shaking, so you should use a stand. But I think from there onwards I've improved, and for the first few years I always used a manual. For the first few years I always used a manual camera, and then I moved to digital last few years, and I can see the difference because now the effort is very less. It's just about really getting the colors right and the framing right, and it's much easier now. So I moved on, and I must say that so I'm very passionate about it. It's something that makes me feel very happy, because I have to sometimes catch 3 flights. The one picture that you saw over there was of a live volcano. It's the only live volcano in Hawaii. I had to change 3 flights and go to 3 cities in one day to capture that at 3 o'clock in the morning. And sometimes I've come close to almost losing my life. But that's the passion, and I'm glad I'm around here to share this with you.
So how long have you been doing it?
So this was my 12th exhibition.
That's wonderful. Also, would you like to tell us something more about the CSR initiatives that you take? So, are involved in a lot of CSR.
Well, when I turned 50, which was 15 years ago, I'm not telling you my age, calculated. I decided that it's about time that I must form the Dr. Batra Foundation. And so from that time onwards, we've been doing some kind of CSR work. What I realized is that as I was getting older and more alert in life and had more time to myself, I realized that it's about time that I started developing talents which I thought I had and never had time to develop. So I started singing old songs, and every year I would have a singing concert in front of 700 people. A public concert with a live orchestra and sing old songs for an old age home, which is also usually support. And like that, I started taking up photography, and so I develop a talent, and then I try to make sure that I use it for the benefit of society. And I think the message over here is 2 things. Number 1 is that you're never too old to start. I think I started my life at 58, and I started developing all my talents after 58, after I really
I started at 30.
photography or in singing, but I keep improving every year, and I'm happy to come to this exhibition. Thank you.
Yeah, what's the message you would like to give?
I've already given that message. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you very much.
Thank you.
भी इंसान को अपनी जो काबिलियत है उसका एक अच्छा इस्तेमाल करते हुए देखना। डॉक्टर बत्रा अपने टैलेंट को सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं किसी अच्छे कॉज के लिए, पैसे इकट्ठा कर कर। सो आई थिंक इट्स अ वंडरफुल वे टू ग्रो एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड ऑल्सो टू शेयर योर ग्रोथ विद अदर पीपल। एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी कि आज मुझे मौका मिला उनके फ़ोटोग्राफी एग्जीबिशन को इनाग्रेट करने के लिए, और उनकी फ़ोटोग्राफी देखकर दिल खुश हो गया।
बहुत मैजिकल है क्योंकि दिया आई हैं, और नॉट ओनली बिकॉज शी इज़ एन एक्ट्रेस एंड शी इज़ ऑल्सो वंडरफुल पर्सन, और वो खुद इतनी चैरिटी करती हैं खुद, एंड शी इज़ एसोसिएटेड विद सो मेनी सच कॉजेज. सो आई कुडंट हैव गॉट अ बेटर पर्सन टू हैव इनॉग्रेटेड दिस. सो रियली ऑनर्ड एंड प्लीज्ड, और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि यहाँ पे इतने लोग आए हैं, और मैं चाहता हूँ कि यहाँ पे और लोग ऐसी पिक्चरें खरीदें और लोगों को हेल्प करें.
जो एक रेस ये फंड की बात है जो इन सारे बच्चों को जाएगा, हमें देखा इतना टैलेंट है इनके अंदर, इन बच्चों के लिए क्या कहेंगे आप, क्या मैसेज आएगा?
मैं यही कहूँगी कि ये किसी से कम नहीं है. हमसे शायद थोड़े अलग होंगे, लेकिन इनमें उतनी ही काबिलियत है, उतने ही गुण हैं जितने कि आप में और हम में हो सकते हैं. एंड आई थिंक अगर इनको मौका मिले तो ये बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं, और हम ये देखते हुए आ रहे हैं. इनफैक्ट मैंने यही स्कूल के बच्चों को मलखम करते हुए देखा था, और मैं चौंक गई थी कि कैसे एहसास के ज़रिए वो मलखम कर लेते हैं. तो आई थिंक कहते हैं ना, ऊपर वाला कुछ अगर छीन लेता है तो दूसरे बहुत और चीज़ें देता है, पर इंसान को मौका मिलना चाहिए उन गुणों को आगे ले जाने के लिए. एंड आई थिंक पीपल लाइक डॉक्टर बत्रा हेल्प पीपल लाइक दिस. थैंक यू.
ये रख दो नंदन.
See you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Lovely. Thank you. Such a pleasure.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.